Nandito po ako sa Cebu and I'm just having banana muffin and iced latte here and a glass of water. I'm just waiting for my friend to arrive because sasabay kami papunta sa international departure area.
Mabuhay Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Taipei. The local time is 8:31 in the morning. Day today is April 4, 2024. The ground temperature is 26 degrees Celsius or 78.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Remain seated with your seatbelt security fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance to do so. Passengers who need assistance, please approach our cabin crew and ground staff who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Wesley Saavedra, First Officer Mark Apple, and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines.
So for lunch, we have parang spicy tofu siya. Then one with mushroom and beans and pechay and brown rice. And I also got soup. Parang meatball soup siya. And water. So hungry. Mushroom. Oh, lamigan doon. Tofu. Sarap ng rice. Matabang siya, tapos bagko kayo. Sarap. Best. Sarap ng pagkain. tinitingnan na lang namin yung ano yung laman para doon ilagay yung mga basura. Guys, 7-Eleven in Taiwan. Ang daming pagkain. 7-Eleven in Taiwan. Yung drink nila, 55. So, iaan na siya, guys. Times 1.78. Yun yung price niya. Drinks. Hindi po, wala pa po akong dollars. Saka na lang po. Titikman ko. Ay, ganun po. Saka na lang po, titikman ko yung mga iba. Oo. Nakalimlim siya, guys. Wow.